Okay, let's see how to fix your Wi-Fi related problem in Windows 11. So first you need to go to Start menu, go to Setting. Under the System section, scroll down and come to the Troubleshoot option. Tap on Other Troubleshooters. Select the Internet connection and tap on Run. You need to follow the on-screen instruction to detect and fix common Wi-Fi issues automatically. So you can select the option you need to. As an example, I'm going to select first option. So it will detect the problem related with that one. So once it is done, you can close this one. Again, go to Start menu, go to Setting, go to the Network and Internet tab. Choose your network connection. It is Wi-Fi. Choose your drive Wi-Fi router. Come back again. Tap on Manage Known Networks. So as an example, if you are connected with this router, tap on Forget option. It will forget your password and your router. Then you can try to relog it again using entering password again. And if it is not working, you can again come to the setting option and network and internet. As previously I come to here, scroll down and come to the advanced network setting. Scroll down, tap on network reset, tap on reset now. This will reset the network setting and adapter. Then after close this one, right click on the Start menu, go to device manager, double tap on network adapters, select your Wi-Fi adapter, right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. If it is not working, select the second option, select this option, select your driver, tap on next. And again you can go to Start menu setting, go to network and internet option. Make sure flight mode is turned off. If it is turned on, you have to turn it off. If you are using router, you can restart, shut down your router and wait for 30 seconds and turn on it again. So if you also not working, you have to open the command prompt. You have to enter each of these commands one by one. Netsh winsock reset, netsh int ip reset, ipconfig release, ipconfig renew, ipconfig flush DNS. Once you enter each one, hit enter. Once it is done, again go to next one, hit enter, next one, hit enter, next one. Likewise, you have to enter each keyword after the pressing enter key. Then after, restart your computer. So these are the methods you can try to fix the Wi-Fi issue on your computer. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.